Welcome back, everybody. Today you're going to see the process we went through to purchase our tent top truck.
We both have a problem with it. It's our truck top tent.
So
we purchased that in Vegas at CVT. They were a great help to us. A big thank you to them, and a big thank you to Danny for adding a awning for us. We're really excited about this new topper that we got, and we really hope you enjoy this video.
yes, we have used this and we have enjoyed it, but this is the process of us looking at it, making the decision to purchase it, and the installation of it. It's pretty much what you're going to see in this video. But don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here in Las Vegas at the CVT store. It's off-road accessories and stuff like that. And trying not to take up the whole camera with my head. My wife and I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this. It's a tent topper. It's going to go on top of my racking system in my pickup truck for overnight stays on the road, so we can save on motel rooms, and plus, you know, stay in some like more isolated areas. But I'm going to just give you a quick tour. So this is the color that we're going to have, but in this style. We'll have this over this here, and hopefully we can see up in here. It's got a little sunroof in here. It's already got a pad in here, but plenty to sleep in too. And it's got this little overhang. Eventually we'll get the outdoor shower and that type of stuff, but just something that a little unique and that we'll enjoy, hopefully. But anyway, I just walked you through that. There again, the green one is the one we bought. That'll be flipped out to the side of the truck. And then this is a racking system my wife and I picked. I'm gonna get the camera right there. Easy installation and stuff like that. That's the racking system we're gonna put on the truck. Hopefully we get a lot of use out of it, enjoy it quite a bit. Anyway, got some pretty neat stuff here. Good morning, everybody. We're here at CVT. We're gonna install a tent topper, a new addition to our family. I'm here with this mug, my brother-in-law Matt.
Cool guy.
The cool guy.
Cool guy.
We're gonna install this. They knocked off the install price if we helped. We'll see how much we help.
See how it goes, yeah.
There's the racking system on there.
J-Rod's checking it out.
We really need these. Yeah, I agree.
Yakum is an exclusive to you guys, is it?
No. It's an REI Dick's.
Dick's Sporting Goods?
Yeah.
Would have,
If they don't have it, they can order it.
because we're going to be in LA next. I mean, it's not like we couldn't come back through here, but
Go to the end of that bar. So the one thing that I will advise, well, it's just not that tall, so you shouldn't have that big of an issue of it. But if you do use the annex, when it comes down, watch the floor to make sure it actually goes all the way down.
so you're not tearing it.
Exactly.
Can't wait to see it all set up.
And tonight we're going to try to sleep in San Bernardino, California.
We're going to go ahead. I'm shutting that off for right now, and we'll turn it back on after you. Because I'm getting low on battery. Because you forgot to charge it.
Yeah, Trina.
We're the only people on YouTube who haven't bought new camera systems. Instead, we're buying the tent.
A workbench.
That is a pretty slick setup. I like that. Very cool.
Well, I can see Matt having one here shortly. You're talking about?
Very cool.
Wow,
Yes,
yeah,
that is gonna
you
be-
guys would be
in our-
using it every
would
weekend.
Really
In the spring and the fall, we'd use it constantly, all the time. Every weekend we'd go out in it.
Yeah, I could see that for sure.
Yeah, we would.
Ooh, then we'll have doubles.
We would.
We'll each have one.
We'd put it on the old Ford Ranger.
Like I say, if things work out, I would love to go to Alaska.
Oh, my
next
God,
year.
Absolutely. That's on the bucket list.
We might be going to Alaska next year with our besties.
You're taking me with.
They're sleeping on the ground though.
Say that again. 'Cause I was-
They're sleeping on the ground.
Not if they have a tent like us.
It's right in here.
Matt's a snuggler.
Only with fat men.
I won't be fat by then. I'm already.
I like pudgy men. You gotta
He is
stay how you
slimming
are.
down.
Anyone seen my beach ball?
And he shaved today. Let's see. Nice clean shave.
Tina.
Yeah, if you get skinny, I'm not talking to you
Can you
anymore.
see boogers?
Matt,
I like
say
pudgy
something really close up.
What? Whoa!
Can you see the boogers in my nose on that one?
Let's see. Looks clean. Oh, some gray hairs. Some gray booger hairs.
Yeah, I'm old.
Well,
No, gray nose hairs. Gray nose
I got
hair.
about an ear here.
I got one.
Uh-oh,
two-
let's see, Matt.
I got two that grow right here.
See
Two
it?
big black
No,
hairs.
your finger.
Ow.
Ah! Your
I
finger.
got two big black hairs that
They
grow
always
here.
poof out like a 90-year-old man with this hair. I can't hear and stuff.
So does the awning go on the driver's or passenger side?
We'll have to go passenger because of the way the tent opens.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's the awning. Where do you store that thing, Gary?
That thing. Is that mine too?
We're just looking at it. It's easier to look at it.
Oh.
We don't have the.
Wait, what is this?
A T-bolt that
That's
slides
pretty much
in here.
what you have. It's just easier to visualize right here
Oh.
versus trying to get up there.
I see. Is that the awning itself?
This is.
Where do you store that thing? Just in the back?
Usually they'll just, honestly, usually just stay on the side.
And we
once
can
you mount
get
it.
a screen enclosure for that,
stays up?
separate.
Oh,
It's got like a whole, like a room. Yeah. Pretty handy actually. Yeah.
we're going to look at another shower surround. Yeah.
That's the shower tank? That's probably more expensive than the one that we...
I don't think they are. I was looking them up.
So, oh, and this has already got the bladder.
Yeah. See, and then you got a hose that comes down right there.
I am 6 foot, so I'm gonna either have to have both legs amputated at the knees,
Oh, you can make it work.
but I wanted to be able to spy from the top of the tent, see you in there.
Well, look, we could even put some kind of little portable potty. It's pretty roomy. Here, I'll back up. Pretty roomy. Do you know how much the shower tent is? Not the one attached,
The
but
standalone shower tent is
standalone.
150. The attached one is 340.
But the, oh, so it's 150?
Yeah.
We want to take that today.
We don't have any right now.
What?
We're out.
Oh, okay.
On the one on the floor?
I could probably sell you that one. It doesn't have the carry bag, but that's the last one we have.
Oh, but no carry bag? Probably want a carry bag.
Where
Oh,
would the
wait.
hell would the carry
No,
bag
we
go?
can put it in a, can't we put it in a bin that we're going to buy?
We'll see how small it folds up, yeah.
Break it down and see. It's not that big.
Oh, yeah.
150, not a bad deal at all. We're going to take that if we can.
What do you think, Trina? You gonna enjoy sleeping in there?
I think so. It's going to be really nice. I'm very excited to try it out. I think we're going to stop in San Bernardino tonight or somewhere along the way between here and LA to see our daughter again. Of course, this time we've been driving and not flying. So we're going to try to find a cool place to stay and record some of that, which I'm very, very excited about it because I do love sleeping outdoors.
Do you think we'll be able to wrestle in there?
Hopefully.
Well, that's the end of the video. I know you guys are upset, but we do have more on the way. What do you got to say?
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of traveling, both in the camp, in our new truck top tent, and out of it. So we have a lot more to be uploading to you. The next video will be using the truck top tent. And then we also have a video coming out. Our daughter whisked us off to Miami, which was a blast.
It was a good time.
It was really nice. So we also have one of those. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.
Peace.